This is actually one of the things that I like about the Nama J2 is that it's upgradable. When you get the Nama J2 juicer, it comes with a 60-ounce hopper, which is an amazing size hopper. It allows you to put whole ingredients in, whole beets, whole apples, whole carrots, etc. Just throw it in without really chopping it too much, just so it can fit in the hopper. And that allows you to multitask while it's chopping it and juicing it on its own. Then you can be doing other things. You can be prepping more produce. You can be cleaning up a little bit. You can be checking your email. There are a lot of things you can do to multitask while the juicer is doing its thing. Typically what I like to do is either prep more produce or begin getting the process started to clean up. And that really makes things so much more efficient when you get a head start on cleanup or you're doing other things while the juicer is doing its thing. So by having an upgraded hopper then, by purchasing the upgraded hopper, this actually allows you to multitask for longer. So while the 60-ounce hopper gives you a certain amount of time to multitask, when you buy the largest hopper, then you can multitask for longer. So I love the fact that the Nama J2 is upgradable. So one particular item that you can also grow into is the citrus attachment. So when you take the hopper off the base, you can upgrade to the citrus attachment, which just sits right on the top. And your juicer becomes a citrus juicer, citrus reamer with this attachment. If you're juicing a lot of oranges, say like a case of oranges or grapefruits or several bags of citrus fruit, it just becomes pretty time consuming to peel off the peel on all the oranges and all the grapefruits, all the citrus. So with the citrus attachment, you can actually just chop them in half and ream them out on the reamer. So it makes it super easy to make your citrus juice and make it really quickly. So that's a super cool attachment upgrade feature. It also has two different sizes. So we've got a larger size for grapefruits and larger oranges, and then a smaller size reamer for lemons and limes. They fit together and it fits right on there perfectly, or you can take the largest one off and just do the lemons and limes. So that's a super cool attachment upgrade feature. So you've got the large hopper upgrade, you've got the citrus attachment upgrade. What else? So the juicer comes with a juicing screen, which is found inside the hopper here. I'll take this apart and show you what it looks like. So this is the juicing screen, and as you can see, it's all stainless steel all the way around, very fine mesh screen holes, which takes out almost all of the insoluble fiber, the pulp, and leaves all of the soluble fiber. So that's the beauty of juicing. You're able to keep all of the soluble fiber, but eliminate the bulk of the insoluble fiber. That's the beauty. So you have that as the juicing screen. Then also what comes with it is the smoothie screen. The smoothie screen has larger holes than the fine mesh strainer on the juicing screen, okay? So if you like a little bit more pulp in your juice, if you like a little bit more fiber in your juice, a little bit more like a smoothie consistency, then you can use the smoothie strainer as opposed to the juicing strainer. So a couple options there, and then I'll show you the last option, which is an upgrade option. Put this together super easily. So it comes with the juicing screen, the smoothie screen, and the upgrade option is the sorbet attachment. And the sorbet attachment is a solid stainless steel. It does not have holes in it. And what this is, it allows you to use frozen fruit and make your own frozen fruit sorbets, or what I like to call nice cream. It's the simplest dessert you can ever make. And I say dessert, I make it a full meal. Like, I don't even worry about when I consume it. I will take some frozen bananas, some frozen pineapples, some frozen cherries, and put in the sorbet attachment and just add the chunks of frozen fruit to the hopper, and out the side, out the pulp chute, comes frozen sorbet nice cream. You can use frozen watermelon. You could do mango, cherry, pineapple, papaya, any frozen fruit, blueberries, any of the berries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, anything that you can get as a frozen fruit makes absolutely amazing ice cream or frozen fruit sorbet. So those are just a few of the upgrades. Another upgrade that you can get is actually the large pitcher and strainer set. So the juicer comes with a smaller pitcher, juice pitcher, and pulp catcher. This actually is an upgrade as well.